The Samsung Galaxy S25 is gearing up to be the ultimate flagship, and trust me, this device isn't just another smartphone, it's a statement. With Samsung pushing the boundaries of innovation, the Galaxy S25 has quickly become one of the most anticipated releases of 2025. Today, we'll uncover the jaw-dropping features, groundbreaking innovations, and why this phone could redefine your tech expectations. So stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know whether the Galaxy S25 deserves the hype. Let's kick things off with the camera setup. Samsung might be shifting gears by introducing Sony's LGTI as sensors for the Galaxy S25. These stacked sensors aren't just about megapixels, they redefine smartphone photography. Imagine capturing vibrant, true-to-life photos even in the most challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're snapping sunsets or cityscapes, this camera promises unmatched clarity and depth. With advancements in HDR processing and color accuracy, the Galaxy S25 could potentially outshine every other smartphone camera on the market. Now let's talk about performance. The Galaxy S25 will be among the first devices to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, built on cutting-edge 3M architecture. This means faster processing, smoother multitasking, and even better energy efficiency. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running AI-driven apps, this chipset is designed to handle it all effortlessly. Coupled with the rumored UFS 4.0 4-lane storage, offering speeds up to 8 GB/, the Galaxy S25 ensures blazing fast app launches and seamless file handling. This combination of hardware and software makes it a powerhouse for productivity and entertainment. One of the standout features is the integration of Qi 2 wireless charging. Samsung has taken inspiration from Apple's MagSafe but added its unique touch. Magnetic alignment ensures effortless charging and compatibility with a range of magnetic accessories. While it's capped at 15W, the possibilities it opens up for creating a Samsung ecosystem are endless. Think about snapping on magnetic cases, pop grips, or even a Galaxy Ring for added functionality. This could redefine how we interact with our phones and accessories. Battery life is another area where the Galaxy S25 excels. With a 4,000 mAh battery in the base model, 4,900 mAh in the S25 Plus, and a massive 5,000 mAh capacity for the Ultra variant, you can expect all-day performance and more. Combined with the efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, these batteries ensure you'll never be left searching for a charger during your busiest days. And for those quick top-ups, Samsung is sticking with 45 VOD wired charging on the higher-end models, a feature that's reliable and fast. But Samsung isn't stopping there. The display on the Galaxy S25 promises to set new standards. Rumored to feature Gorilla Glass armor and an updated M13 Plus OLED panel, the phone will deliver stunning visuals with reduced reflections and vibrant colors. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or scrolling through social media, the experience is likely to be immersive, even under direct sunlight. And here's the kicker. Samsung is achieving all this without hiking the price. Let's not forget the software. One UI 7 with its AI-powered enhancements is shaping up to be smarter and more intuitive than ever. Features like on-device AI processing and seamless multitasking will make using the Galaxy S25 feel almost magical. And with Samsung's promise of 7 years of software updates, this phone is designed to stay relevant for years. So, where does this leave us? The Galaxy S25 isn't just another phone. It's a bold statement of what the future of smartphones could look like. From revolutionary cameras to magnetic accessories, it combines innovation, design, and performance into one sleek package. Now, here's the question. Is the Galaxy S25 the right phone for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's discuss. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech. You won't want to miss what's coming next.